Part G, simple trig equations. We're going to be dealing with all of these equations over the interval from 0 to 2 pi, and again, the unit circle is going to make these very easy for us to solve. First example, the sine of theta equals 1/2. That means I need to find the angles whose sine, whose y-coordinate, is positive 1/2. Well, going to our unit circle, if the sine's going to be positive 1/2, that means I have to be in quadrants 1 or 2 to make the sine, the y-coordinate, positive. Looks like that happens at pi over 6 and at 5 pi over 6. My answers are pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Next example. The cotangent of theta equals root 3. Well, to use the unit circle, I need to turn this into something with sines and cosines, so I can say the cosine of theta divided by the sine of theta equals root 3, or equals root 3 over 1, so I can see my fraction. So now this becomes finding where the cosine of theta is root 3 and the sine of theta is 1. Well, that's never going to happen around my unit circle. Those aren't good values for x's and y's around my unit circle. However, I can divide both of these by 2, not change the fraction, but give me values that I will find around my unit circle. Now the question becomes find where the cosine of theta is root 3 over 2 and the sine of theta is 1/2. That's going to occur at pi over 6. However, there is another answer. I could also look for places where the cosine of theta is negative root 3 over 2 and the sine theta is negative 1/2, because that will also simplify to root 3. That occurs at 7 pi over 6.